guys, it's Wengie. Welcome back to my channel.
Good, kinda dangerous. Take a bad boy, shape them up. Yeah.
Today I have a leftover Big Mac. And as usual, I went the easy, lazy route and decided why not let AI figure it out? Because AI figured out this set. Cool, right? And instead of using the boring chat box, because we're all about fun here, I decided to turn my AI into a flying toaster. And when I was in high school, I made this song about flying toasters. And do you guys remember the flying toaster screensaver? That was the vibe. Maybe I'm gonna name her ChefBot 1.0. If you can come up with a better name, let me know down below. Okay, ChefBot, I have a leftover Big Mac. I wanna make dinner. Make it yummy.
Okay, I have computed the recipe, but we need to go shopping. Grab those macaroni noodles. And those tomatoes. Ooh, 1 onion. The iceberg lettuce. Thousand Island sauce, yes. Grab that mayonnaise. Let's go home.
Welcome to my kitchen, guys. Honestly, I'm kind of nervous because I've never literally followed an AI recipe before. Robots can't taste anything, so how do they know how to make something yummy? Plus, I gave it kind of a hard assignment because who has a leftover Big Mac and whoever makes something with it? Like literally, if you have a leftover Big Mac, you just heat it up in the microwave and eat it. That's what I would normally do, but I thought I'd try something different this time, so your best shot, AI. Let's see if she can create the perfect meal for me from a leftover Big Mac. All right, let's start cooking. What do we do first?
Preheat the oven to 375 degrees.
All right.
Boil some water.
And while we're waiting for the water to boil, don't forget to check out my latest music video. I just posted it. Let me play you a snippet.
Promise I'm worth the wait. You know I'm better. By the way, I do it better. I do it better. Make you forget her. Anything you do, I can do better.
Honestly, guys, I love this song. Hit replay 100 times because it's so catchy. Such a summer bop. All right, AI, what are we doing next?
Add in 2 cups macaroni noodles.
Oh, thank you.
Dice 1 tomato.
Maybe I should have just bought a can of diced tomatoes. Tomatoes are done. What's next?
Shred half a lettuce.
Got it. Shredding lettuce is so satisfying, guys, and don't worry, we're gonna wash it after. The lettuce is shredded.
Dice those onions, baby.
All right. Honestly, I'm so surprised that these onions didn't make me cry while I'm chopping them, because usually they do, and it really hurts. Onions are done.
Don't be so happy yet, we're making some sauce.
She's sassy, guys. All right, let's make some sauce. All right, got the sauce. How much?
1/4 cup Thousand Island dressing.
All right. Mayonnaise. How much do I add of this?
1/8 cup mayonnaise.
Okay.
Do you have vegetable oil?
Actually, I do. Right here.
1 tablespoon in the sauce. Now mix it clean.
Guys, this looks kind of gross right now while I'm mixing it, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good. Let's hope. All right, the sauce is done. What next?
I've been waiting for this. Time to chop up that Big Mac.
Ooh, okay. So she said in little pieces, so I'm gonna dice this Big Mac, and I gotta say, this is the first time I've ever cut up a burger like this. Burger should definitely not be treated like this.
Combine your macaroni noodles and vegetables.
There's something really satisfying about placing all these different ingredients.
And add half a cup of diced pickles and half a cup of shredded cheese.
Are we almost done yet? What's next?
Now mix this with your chopped up Big Mac, I command you.
Okay. This is super weird. I'm just looking at the diced Big Mac going in and all my ingredients, and I'm like thinking, this doesn't look like it's gonna taste very good. I hope she knows what she's doing.
Mix in the ooey gooey sauce.
Mix, mix, mix. I love the mixing shots, guys. The mixing shots are so satisfying.
Pour your ooey gooey in a baking tray. Did you just add extra cheese? You weren't supposed to do that.
I'm sorry.
Don't disobey me again.
I won't.
Now put it in the oven for 25 minutes.
Okay.
You forgot to put foil on top.
What?
Actually, I didn't say ha ha ha. You can remove the foil in the end and bake for 5 to 10 minutes more if you want it to be crispy on top.
Yes, I want it crispy.
It is done. You better like it.
I'm not sure, guys. It doesn't look like much. You know what I'm saying? Let's take it out. Oh, it smells good.
You should come and taste what you like.
All right, guys, we got our spoon. Let's try this out. Oh, the lettuce kind of looks gross though. I've got to say. All right. Cheers. Oh my God. Okay, I am so surprised how good this is. Because I mean, while we were making it, I was kind of just like, this is a lot of effort. I should have just heated up the Big Mac and ate it. But like, this is legit good. And I think this can serve like literally 4 people. But if you're a big eater, maybe 2, 3. It basically tastes like Big Mac flavored pasta. If you can even imagine that. Like imagine a lasagna that tastes like Big Mac. This is kind of it. Or like mac and cheese without so much cheesy taste, but like Big Mac sauce. I would totally bring this over to a friend's place and have it together. They will be so impressed, especially if they're Big Mac lovers. And we all know some Big Mac lovers in our life. But I'm gonna give this recipe a 9.5 out of 10 because it is that good. AI!
I am the best.
She did so good. And guys, I can send you this recipe. Just go to my description box and click the link and I'll send it right to you when you give me your email. Can't believe she just came up with that. Maybe AI just does it better than us. And speaking of do it better, don't forget to check out my new single, Do It Better, and my music video that just came out today. Stream it on all the platforms. It is linked in the description box with a link to getting you the recipe. And don't forget to suggest prompts for me to use with AI for my next cooking video. And I'll see you guys super soon. Love you!